So that's looking pretty good. All right, so that one's done. Covered. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do some modeling and piping. For modeling, I need to stiffen this up. Actually, I probably still need that. Okay, so first we wanna make sure there's no crumbs or anything in here. I'm gonna actually darken this up a little bit with just a teeny tiny bit of orange. We need to stiffen it up, probably about a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar to a cup of rolled buttercream. I just add it until it feels stiff. That works for me. We're going to need all sorts of colors stiffened. We're going to need this yellow. I'm going to add a little orange to it, but we'll need yellow, a little yellow with orange. We need pink, white, blue, and black. So we're going to be dyeing some more rolled buttercream and stiffening it up. There we go. That's getting nice and stiff. I want it to hold its shape. So the warmer it is, the more you need. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is this guy's face close up. So I'm going to pull out a little bit of this stiffened stuff to do little like feathery hairs on the top of his head. So just like, it's kind of like that. That's what I like. We want it to stay up. There we go, like that. So roll a ball, then with your finger, roll it into a little tapered cone. I guess we'll face it for you. I might do 1 or 2 more of those. We'll see. And then I need just a tiny little bit of orange. Let's see, what do we got here? And with that, we're going to make his beak. I think you're going to want to make this just a little bit stiffer. It's very warm today. Okay, so now I'm being dyed orange. My fingers are the right color now. There we go. That looks much better. And we're going to make his beak, which is kind of like a diamond shape. Okay, so we've got kind of a diamond shape. This is the top part where his nostrils are. Let me grab my toothpicks. Anything pointy. So it's kind of triangular shaped. And then what we want to do is make 2 nostrils. Shorten this up a little bit because it's a baby chick. And then we need his eyes, which is going to be black. So let's grab. And we're going to need quite a bit of black. Okay. So I've stiffened up all my colors here with some powdered sugar. So I've got this black nice and stiffened up, and what I'm going to do is the eyes. I've got one eye done. What I do is just take a little bit of black and make a ball, and then I'm going to kind of just pinch a little at the top to make a sort of a teardrop and flatten it, like so. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little bit and roll it, like so. And then I'll just flatten this out until it's approximately the same size as that eye. And one more. Use my toothpick to help adjust these. Still a little sticky, not too bad. A little curl to them. I gotta turn it around because I gotta see it. I'm just gonna leave it just like that. It's very simple, easy little close-up chickie face. Okay, that's all there is to this guy. We'll put a base border on him in a little bit. So let's move him aside.